Mineral sands keep us mobile, active, healthy and connected. They play an important part in our everyday lives. Mineral sands such as ilmenite, rutile and zircon help to improve our homes, our lifestyle and our environments, and are being used in an increasing number of applications. Ilmenite and rutile are titanium minerals. Iluka processes and exports the majority of these minerals to titanium dioxide pigment manufacturers around the world. Titanium dioxide pigment is used primarily in paints, plastics, paper and ink. Titanium minerals are also used in titanium metal products and welding. Zircon demand comes mainly from the ceramics industry, where it is used in the glaze on porcelain sinks and ceramic tiles that are laid in homes, offices and shopping centres around the world. Because it's heat and chemical resistant, zircon is also in demand for steel and glass manufacturing, cosmetics, electronics and automotive systems, and its applications are growing. Ilmenite, rutile and zircon are mined using either a dry or wet mining method. To begin the process, the earth on top of the ore, known as topsoil, is removed and stored. The ore containing the minerals is then collected and loaded into the mining unit plant. This ore is made up of rock, clay and sand containing the valuable minerals. The mining unit plant screens out the larger oversized material and pumps the ore containing minerals into a wet concentrator plant. The wet concentrator plant produces a heavy mineral concentrate, or HMC, by separating the material containing the minerals from other lighter material. HMC is transported from the mine to a mineral separation plant for final processing. A mineral separation plant refines the mineral products for customers' end-use applications. Iluka uses a range of technologies to physically separate the final products of ilmenite, rutile and zircon. Rehabilitation is carried out as mining progresses. The mining void is backfilled and covered with stockpiled topsoils and leftover material from the HMC processing. The aim of rehabilitation is to return land to its pre-mining use. Iluka Resources is involved in the exploration, project development, mining, processing and marketing of mineral sands products. The company has been involved in mineral sands for more than 60 years and today is the largest producer of zircon and rutile globally. Iluka has mineral sands and processing facilities in Australia and Sierra Leone and is conducting development activities in Australia, Sri Lanka, Africa, Kazakhstan and Canada. The company has a global network of marketing and distribution offices and works closely with customers to continually improve its products for specific uses. As a major and long-standing participant in the mineral sands industry, Iluka has a reputation as a stable and responsible resources operator and producer of high-quality mineral products. Iluka directly employs over 2,500 people in a variety of roles, from safety to exploration, project development, engineers and operators, marketing and rehabilitation. Today, Iluka's Australian operations include mines, processing and concentrating activities and projects under development. In Sierra Leone, Iluka operates a large long-life rutile mine which employs 1,900 people, mostly from local communities, making the company a significant national employer. Iluka recognises and respects the culture and traditions of the countries in which it operates and invests in the training and development of its local employees, as well as working with communities and governments to create mutual benefits. Iluka is committed to working safely and responsibly, conducting its operations and activities with integrity to meet its social, environmental and economic obligations. In Sri Lanka, Iluka is working to develop an ilmenite deposit that has the potential to establish the country as a major global supplier of mineral sands products. The Puttalam quarry deposit is located in the northwestern province, 30 kilometres from Puttalam, in the operational Siam City Cement limestone quarry. Iluka's Sri Lankan project operates as Iluka Lanka Resources, a Sri Lankan registered company established in 2012. This team is working with government and communities to evaluate the potential for a large-scale mineral mining and processing operation at Puttalam. There are three main stages in establishing a mineral sands project. First, Iluka does a number of in-depth studies around social, environmental and economic factors of the project. Based on this, Iluka assesses the investment required to build the project. The company would enter into an agreement with the government of Sri Lanka. The second stage includes the design and construction of the mine, plants and associated infrastructure. And in the third stage, mining and processing activities begin and continue for up to 40 years. The proposed project would involve building a mining operation and processing facilities, comprising multiple mining unit plants, a wet concentrator plant, and a mineral separation plant that refines the mineral products for customers' end-use applications before export. Iluka would also invest in the construction or upgrading of supporting infrastructure, such as power, transport and export facilities. The Puttalam Quarry project development would see new industrial technology brought to Sri Lanka, including the country's first industrial-scale mineral separation plant. The project would create about 500 jobs at the mine and processing facilities, and generate jobs in other industries that support mining, with local people trained and employed as a priority. Sri Lankan employees and contractors would have the chance to develop new skills in a technical industry. Local business would also benefit from a long-life mine, as Iluka uses in-country businesses to supply goods and services wherever possible. The final products of ilmenite, rutile and zircon would deliver valuable foreign exchange revenues to Sri Lanka and establish the country as a major international supplier of mineral products. Iluka is committed to working in partnership with the Sri Lankan government and people to ensure the project is developed to benefit all parties as part of Sri Lanka's continued economic development.